I hate the way we describe visual data in behavior analysis. It's not scientific and way too subjective, which affects how you make clinical decisions. We should be using the Standard Celeration Chart. Instead of saying that the trend was high, medium, or low, you can actually get a number of the angle or slope of the line to more precisely describe the slope. Now there's no subjective visual analysis, but precision visual analysis where you can actually have a number so you can be, well, precise. When describing trend and ABA on a line graph, you can't do this, and this affects how you make clinical decisions. Instead of saying there is high or low variability, guess what? The chart has a number to precisely identify the degree of bounce in the data. When describing variability on a line graph, you can't do that, and this affects how you make clinical decisions. Instead of saying the change between two conditions was high or low, you have a number to describe the degree of change, which is called the between condition multiplier. When describing level change from one condition to another on a non-standard line graph, you can't do this, and this affects how you make clinical decisions. Look, a big reason why I love precision teaching and the Standard Celeration Chart is that with it I can improve the accuracy of my science, thus making my data closer to the true value of what it is in the real world. Please let me know if any of this made any sense, especially if you have a background in ABA or behavior science. If something didn't make sense, then it's the fault of the teacher, not the learner. Because, say it with me, y'all, the learner is always right. This is my producer, Chewy. I'm Jared, a behavior scientist, precision teacher, and PhD student at Penn State, Black and here to educate. Look, numbers can more accurately describe the value of these data than saying subjective stuff like low, medium, and high. We need to get our science together, y'all.